What happens when a single, desperate decision leads you into a courtroom? Facing a theft charge, Yvonne Peterson takes a plea deal for probation. But when the judge discovers this isn't her first offense, the hearing takes a turn. Will she get the second chance she's hoping for, or will a surprising admission about her past jeopardize everything?
Court is calling 2025 CR 01067, State versus Ivon Pedas. If I may have parties announced. For the defense.
Kelly Green for Yvonne Pedas, the defendant.
And are you Yvonne Pedas?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
Yes, I have.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Are there any applications in this case?
Yes.
All right, counsel, the court does not have an app. Did you file an application for community supervision?
Yes.
All right, the court is not in receipt of any application for community supervision. State,
Yes, Judge.
do you have any objection to an oral motion for an application of community supervision?
No, Judge.
All right. So it's the court's understanding that you're requesting probation from the court. Is that correct?
Yes.
Correct, Your Honor.
And so do you understand that there's an application that will say that you've signed it, you've understood it, and you know by signing that, you're letting the court know that you wish to be considered for community supervision. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. And do you understand that community supervision is a conviction on your record?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney and understand it?
Yes.
Counsel, are you waiving the reading of the indictment?
Yes, I am.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
No, Your Honor. State moves to proceed on the lesser included offense of theft of property less than $100 with a previous conviction.
Any
That
objection?
is correct, Your Honor. No objections.
All right. Did you review the court admonishments with your attorney?
Yes.
Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. The state is proceeding on the lesser included offense of theft of property less than $100 with a previous conviction. That's a Class B misdemeanor.
Yes.
So the range of punishment is up to 180 days in the Bexar County Jail and up to a $2,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes.
If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow that plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent. By entering this plea, you're giving up those rights. Do you understand? And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, she has.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
Yes, I do.
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, I do.
Ms. Pedas, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea?
No.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes.
If you're not a U.S. citizen, by entering this plea, you will be deported, denied naturalization, and reentry. Do you understand? Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived her right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
According to the plea, the state is proceeding on the lesser included offense of a Class B theft. Punishment is assessed at 6 months in the Bexar County Jail. There's a $750 fine, and the state is recommending community supervision. Did you understand? All right, excuse me, Ms. Green.
Yes, I'm here.
Could you ask Mr. Behrens or whoever that is to maybe take that into the next room?
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Did you understand with a theft conviction that that's a crime of moral turpitude? Do you understand that and what that means?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Ms. Green, did you understand that to be the plea?
I did, Your Honor. However,
Defense?
we would ask if the court would reconsider maybe probating half of the fine.
All right. State, is that the plea?
Yes, Judge.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes.
By signing that, you're waiving your right to appeal. The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, there been any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Outside the agreement, the state is requesting that your community supervision be for a term of 2 years. There be 80 hours of community service restitution, no contact with Target at 8234 Agora Parkway, MRT, random UAs, obtain your GED or complete an anti-theft course. Did you understand those were recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, Your Honor.
Then to the lesser included offense, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State any evidence.
Yes, Your Honor. State offer State's Exhibit 1 in all attachments.
Any objections?
No objections.
Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
And state your excuse. Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state will call and the right to remain silent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there'll be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence State's Exhibits 1 and attachments. The court has reviewed the same. The court will find that there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
No, just that you would follow the plea bargain.
All right, so why are you stealing?
So I had got sick, and none of the hospitals over there that I was at, they didn't take my insurance. And the sickness that I have is PIA. I don't want to say what I had, but I was getting like a real bad rash like on my body, and I had no money and didn't know what I was to do at the time. I didn't mean to steal. I just didn't know what to do.
Go to the emergency room. So do you have any children?
No, ma'am.
When's the last time you had employment?
Employment. I'm working right now
Doing what?
at Wendy's.
All right. And do you live with anyone?
I live with my boyfriend's aunt at the moment.
And are there any children in the household? And does your boyfriend stay there too?
Yes.
All right. So your attorney didn't have you sign the trial court certification of defendant's rights to appeal. So I'll go over that with you once we complete this plea. Okay.
Okay.
All right. The court is going to sentence you to 6 months in the Bexar County Jail. That will be suspended and probated for 1 year. $750 fine. That will be probated. How far did you go in school?
I only made it to the 10th grade.
Why?
I dropped out for a dumb reason.
Why?
For a boy.
See, here's the thing. Don't go following somebody around. You need to focus on yourself and make sure that you're independent. You understand?
Yes.
There's going to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular random UAs. If you're drug tested today, what are the results going to be?
Honestly, I only smoked marijuana once, but that's it. I'm just gonna be honest.
It's more than just once.
No, it was just once. I just messed up. Like I learned
When?
last week. Like I messed up.
So in all of your life, the first time you ever smoked marijuana was last week.
Yes.
Is that what you're telling me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I'm going to tell you right now, you need to be honest with me because otherwise I'm going to send you off into this world. And if you end up testing positive again, a motion to revoke is going to be filed. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. There's going to be regular random UAs, proof of employment within 30 days, no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. There's to be no contact with Target. So you're going to have to go to someplace other than Target.
Your Honor.
There's going to be 80 hours of community service restitution. You're either going to obtain your GED or enter some type of trade school. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
And once she's completed one of those things, then the community service hours will be deemed satisfied. And she's to do the anti-theft course. Usually I give people a theft course, but this is not your first time, so you need more help, okay? There's going to be field visits 1 time per month for 3 months. And why are you not living with your mom or your dad?
My dad right now, he's currently in prison, and my mom, she's out doing her work at the
Okay.
moment.
All right, you're going to have to really learn to support yourself and do what you need to do in order to get there. Because if you don't, at any time where you're living, the aunt could get tired of you, tired of your boyfriend, and just say, you all have to go. And then you'll be homeless. Or either you and your boyfriend break up and they say you have to go, and then you'll be homeless. So start saving your money, all right?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. So this is what's called the trial court certification of the defendant's rights to appeal. Did your attorney review that with you? So what this tells you is whether or not you can appeal, like whether or not you can complain about your sentence. That's what it means in layman's terms. So you reached an agreement with the state. I followed that agreement. And because I followed that agreement, you're not going to be allowed to appeal, which means you won't be able to say, you know what? I think I should appeal that, right?
Yeah.
Because I followed your agreement. Now, what I can tell you is if there were pretrial motions that I heard, and if I made a ruling on that, you could appeal that. But your attorney has already said I didn't make any of those rulings. So you're not going to be allowed to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes.
And this is a conviction. Now, this is not a felony conviction, it's a misdemeanor conviction. But because this is a crime of moral turpitude, what that means, any job that you seek that requires you to have a license, this is going to come up on your record. Do you understand? Do you have any questions about anything?
So for the probation, they're gonna give me all like the paperwork and everything.
Yes, before you leave here today, probation will speak with you.
Yes.
All right, so do you understand the trial court certification?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, then I'll need you to sign this. If you go to the site, they'll help you sign it, all right? Oh, they'll give you a pen.
In the end, Yvonne Peterson received a suspended sentence and 1 year of probation, but with a strict set of rules to follow. The judge's final warning was clear: this is your chance to turn your life around. The choice is now hers. What do you think? Could this sentence prevent future offenses? Share your thoughts below. Thanks for watching.